Price movements in binary options trading are crucial to understanding how market fluctuations impact trade outcomes. In binary options, traders predict whether the price of an asset will move up or down within a specified time frame. These movements are influenced by various factors, including market trends, economic news, geopolitical events, and technical indicators. Unlike traditional trading, where profit or loss depends on the magnitude of price changes, binary options trading focuses solely on the direction of price movement. Traders rely on price action strategies, technical analysis, and fundamental analysis to anticipate short-term price changes and make informed decisions. Key elements influencing price movements include support and resistance levels, trend lines, candlestick patterns, and market sentiment. Support levels indicate where an asset's price tends to stop falling and potentially reverse, while resistance levels highlight where prices may struggle to move higher. Understanding these levels helps traders identify entry and exit points effectively. Additionally, candlestick patterns such as pin bars, engulfing candles, and doji formations provide valuable insights into market psychology and potential price reversals. Economic indicators like interest rates, inflation reports, and employment data also play a vital role in shaping price movements, causing increased volatility in financial markets. Many traders use technical indicators such as moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and the Relative Strength Index, RSI, to analyze price trends and confirm potential trade setups. Price movements in binary options can be rapid and unpredictable, especially during major economic releases or unexpected global events. This volatility presents both opportunities and risks, making it essential for traders to employ proper risk management strategies. Using a demo account to practice analyzing price movements and developing a solid strategy is crucial before investing real money. The ability to accurately interpret price action allows traders to avoid relying too heavily on indicators and instead focus on the natural behavior of the market. Binary options traders often prefer short-term trading strategies that capitalize on small price movements within minutes or hours, requiring quick decision-making and strong analytical skills. Market sentiment, driven by factors such as investor confidence and speculation, can also influence price fluctuations, leading to sharp and sudden movements. Traders must stay informed about market news and trends to anticipate potential price shifts and adjust their strategies accordingly. Additionally, staying disciplined and avoiding emotional decision-making is key to success in binary options trading. By consistently analyzing price movements and refining their strategies, traders can increase their chances of making profitable trades. Ultimately, mastering price movements in binary options trading requires a combination of technical knowledge, market awareness, and disciplined execution.